Welcome to Flutter Coding Explained. In this lesson, we answer a very common beginner question. Why do we use void? Let's look at real code and understand it clearly. Open your editor and type along with me. When you write a function in Dart, you must tell the computer what that function gives back. Sometimes a function gives back a number, like int. Sometimes it gives back text, like string. But many functions do not give anything back. They just do an action. That is when we use void. Void literally means this function returns nothing. Look at our example. We wrote void greet with string name in parentheses. Inside the function, we print hello and the name. Notice there is no return keyword. The function runs, prints the message, and that is it. Nothing comes back. Now compare this with a function that returns a value. Int add int a, int b, open brace, return a plus b, close brace. That function gives back an integer. Void greet gives back nothing. In Flutter, you will see void everywhere. Void main is your app entry point. setState is void because it just updates the screen. It does not return a value. On-press callbacks are usually void because tapping a button is an action. Here is the simple rule. Use void when your function only performs an action. Use int, string, bool, or widget when your function produces a value to use later. Practice now. Write one void function that prints your name and one int function that returns your age. Run both and see the difference. That is void explained with real code.